Actually been following me, you know that it's been a while I talk about this particular project called the Spur Protocol. So in this particular video, I will be sharing with you their roadmap for this year 2025, when they will get listed. And the last one, which is the most important one, before I share with you a lot of things, is that how to check if you actually be eligible for this particular spot protocol, because the name of the token is not spot. The name of the token that this particular spot points, because it is point we are earning now, that will be converted to is. So if I want to start mining this project, you can still start mining. I'll be dropping my referral code in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video and every other video which you need to get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification. So let's go back to their Telegram group and check the roadmap. So this was the roadmap they shared with us in July 2nd. I'll be reading it gently and I'll be explaining what it means. So you could see roadmap briefing. So they say Q2 was a great milestone. We have analyzed almost all events we have in the Q2 roadmap. Q3 is here, and below is the brief way forward. You know, the Q3 is between July to September. So last halving, there have been a couple of halving that have spawned in the Spur Protocol token. So before the end of the quarter, that means before the end of this third quarter, that is around September, there will be the last halving leading us to the next phase of our Web3 journey. Meaning we still have one last halving that will be happening before we move to the next stage. So now after that, we will be having our staking mechanisms. Spur protocol community will be able to convert. Look at it. It is Spur points we are earning. Spur to soon. This is the name of the token which we'll be getting to stake and earn massive yield and right. Governance. Soon Constaker will be pioneer and govern the Spur Protocol Open Network, some blockchain. You know, it is a blockchain token. So that is why I believe that they are going to do very well. A massive reward from vote, airdrop, and incentive from project building on Sun. So this is it now. This is another beautiful thing. If, as at the time of converting the Spur into Sun, if able to be one of the stakers, this is one of the benefits you'll be enjoying, is that any airdrop that is built on this particular Sun blockchain, either you participate or not, you'll be able to get a percent of that particular airdrop, which they are saying here, and incentives from project building on. So anything as much you are stakers on that particular on their blockchain, you'll be able to get some certain incentive from every other project that's building on the Sun blockchain, which is very beautiful, which I love about them. Decentralized wallet and Sun blockchain. The technical team will be releasing incentive testnet version of the decentralized wallet and Sun blockchain testnet. Token generational event. The protocol will begin with a possible micro listing. That means maybe this one is possible to happen in this particular Q3 or in Q4. A micro listing will be happening, then followed by the proper top tier exchange listing. I believe that if the micro listing actually happen, it will pave way for those who are unable to start early to be able to buy, so that when it is listed on top tier exchange, they must have make a good amount of money. So community reward and airdrop distribution. This airdrop and distribution will be done to allow community grab allocated reward from the app. This distribution will be done on-chain through the Spur Protocol Open Network. So before the listening date, there will be allocation of reward. So let's move now down to the Spur app. Remember, if you want to start, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description so that you could get started on some video which you actually need. So for you to be able to check, let me quickly show you some ways to earn. Is that every 24 hours you have to actually come here to come actually to this your farming. I take every 12 hours. This is it. You could see my farming time is left with 7 hours 20 minutes and like that. So you have to tap on this particular farming. You tap on claim Spur. You could see it is still farming here. So immediately it is complete, you actually tap on claim. So that is one way. Another way is to come. Let me quickly show you all these things. to come to this, there are some certain games that you can play, just like the one of two. You can tap of this spin. I've actually done my spin for today. You can do that. You come to this treasure game, you just have to pick a random treasure, and it will show you what you actually make from this particular treasure. Let me tap on, you see, say you have no slot, please try again. So till tomorrow again, you can actually tap on this tweet to earn. They have some tweets that they have created. You just post it on your Twitter, post the link here, you earn. Teach to learn. If you write some blog posts, you just put it there and you'll be able to earn. This die game, I love it too. You just tap on this dice. I've finished the one of today, and you'll be able to get. So you can see this other two are coming. So you'll be able to refer. This is where you'll be able to claim your referral bonus. Yes. Immediately it is 50 upward. Just tap on receive bonuses. So you could come here, complete some of these tasks. They are very important, and you claim some spur so that you'll be able to gather some good amount of spur. And this is the one for quiz, just like Harry Shane. You will say I've answered one of today. You can always go to Twitter to go and check the answers. So you tap on it, and also here you can actually check your position, your global ranking. You see, in the global ranking now, currently I'm in the number 5,800 and 800 currently, which is at least I have to be among one of the 1,000. I'm still working on that. So to check your eligibility, if you be eligible for the token airdrop, you just have to come to this place. You tap on manage your spur. You can see it is calculating. This spur I have is actually small amount. Yes, I'm not really happy, 65,000. So you could see this is the staking feature that will be coming very soon. Then you'll be able to receive spur from users, and you'll be able to send your spur out. So what I'm about actually trying to show here is, yeah, can you see? You say congrats. You say congrats. Your account is active and eligible for the drop. Stay active to keep it eligible. So I have to always keep it active, coming here, claiming my token, answering quiz and the likes for me to keep my account eligible. You could see it says I'm eligible. So one of the major reasons why I say I'm not happy with my points, when it comes to leadership board, let's go to leadership board. Look at the first person ranking. Look at the first ranking. This is 6 million plus. The second is 5 million plus, and this 4 million plus. I believe you know this guy called Simaskit. You could say this having over 2 million plus. He's one of the Nigeria top crypto influencer. You could see Prince having over 2 million plus. And like that, sorry about that. You could see this person too having over 2 million. Have you come to top referrals? You could see the top referrals is having over 3,000 plus referrals. This one 2,000 plus, 2,000 plus. You could see this one. So this project is actually a low-key project that a lot of people are actually making good amount of money from, which I know we actually pay people. And this is the learn section. If you want to learn about cryptocurrency, in as much you read, you're able to read for some minutes. You also get some amount of spur point. These are ways you could actually increase your spur. You could see this I means the number of people that have read, that love, that message, and it's just 1 minute. How token investing work in crypto projects. So you could read them to to increase your learning capacity. And also you could see, if I tap on this particular plus sign, you'll be able to actually use it for you to create yours if you want to publish a post, and you also earn. So that is it. So for this voting, you could see, if you come to upcoming voting, these are for people which have actually upcoming voting ongoing. No, it should be on oncoming voting. You see projects that things that they want to do next, and people are actually voting, and you can actually do that. You have to participate in this, what they call POG. Let's tap on POG. POG has some good, that's proof of governance. Deploy your proof of governance, that's POG, on chain to go beyond the boundaries and access multitude of unique features. What cover? Get you, if you're able to do that, you're able to get 20,000 spur point. Yes, ability to vote. The voting I showed you the last time, you have the ability to vote. Voting way, will be accessible, and the result of your vote will dedicate the project next step. Spur, the system will automatically credit you with Spur on each vote, meaning as you vote, you'll also be credited with some amount of vote, which why this government POG is very important. You get a golden badge. You will become a golden badge holder. It will be shown next to your profile anywhere. Team customization, you have the ability to change your app design. Team customize the look. 10% allocation, we have allocated 10% of our total supply to all POG holders, which is an addition to your airdrop. Future free airdrop, you will be automatically eligible for any future airdrop aside Spur airdrop because you are holding a POG badge. You see, I will tell you how you could actually participate in the POG this thing. So 50% partnership airdrop, there will be a massive airdrop from our partner where we allocate 50% of the rewards to the POG holder. Endless possibilities. Spur is just starting. This is a tip of an iceberg. There will be a lot of benefits to the future for everyone. So for you to participate, if you want to participate in the POG, so you just have to tap here, tap on it. It will take you. You actually need. I think it is Solana. I don't know. I've forgotten the particular coin. It's been long. I did a video on it for you to actually use for you to be able to get the POG back. So these are what you need for participating in the Spur Protocol. I believe that the micro listening will be coming up later on in this year. So if you have anything, can drop it in the comment section of the video. And don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload another new video. Thank you and bye bye for now.